Here's some Spanish flu trivia. Subscribe. In which year did the Spanish flu begin? Is it A, 1920, B, 1918, C, 1916, or D, 1932? The correct answer is B, 1918. What global conflict was ending during the flu's onset? Is it A, Korean War, B, World War I, C, World War II, or D, Vietnam War? The correct answer is B, World War I. Which continent was first affected by the outbreak? Is it A, Asia, B, Europe, C, North America, or D, Africa? The correct answer is C, North America. Name the city where the first major outbreak occurred. Is it A, Los Angeles, B, Kansas City, C, Chicago, or D, New York City? The correct answer is B, Kansas City. In which season was the second wave of the flu severe? Is it A, fall, B, spring, C, winter, or D, summer? The correct answer is A, fall. What name was assigned to the flu strain circulating? Is it A, European H7N9, B, Spanish H1N1, C, Californian H3N2, or D, Asian H5N1? The correct answer is B, Spanish H1N1. What was the primary mode of transmission for the virus? Is it A, surface contact, B, waterborne, C, mosquito bites, or D, airborne droplets? The correct answer is D, airborne droplets. Which age group showed unexpected high mortality rates? Is it A, 30-50 years, B, 60 to 80 years, C, 10-20 years, or D, 20-40 years? The correct answer is D, 20 to 40 years. What type of masks were used during the outbreak? Is it A, surgical masks, B, clown masks, C, gas masks, or D, animal masks? The correct answer is A, surgical masks. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.